Welcome back, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create a low polygon logo in CorelDraw. So let's begin. Step 1 to take is to go to your toolbar. Make sure you select your polygon tools. From the home property right here, make sure you type in 6 and then come to the workspace right here. Press down Ctrl key to draw a perfect polygon shape. Then press P to centralize. Okay, next thing you want to do is to make a duplicate of this. For you to do that, you just have to go to home tab right here, go to edit, make a copy. Then you have to go back to edit again and paste. So the duplicate one right here, you just have to come to the home tab here and make sure this is 3. Good. Next thing you want to do is to make another copy of this triangle. For you to do that, you just go back to your edit from the home tab right here, make a copy, press Ctrl P on your keyboard, paste. Now the duplicate one here, you have to rotate to mirror vertical and mirror horizontal. Next thing you want to do is to drag from the top here, shift key and drag down. You have stuff like this. Press shift key and select this larger rectangle and press B on your keyboard. This allows to the bottom alignment. You have to fall back to the small rectangle now, small triangle, and press shift key and drag it out and make sure it snaps to the edge of the circle. You can press shift key and select the big triangle and press B. This aligns everything perfect. Next thing you want to do is to select your pen tools. Having selected your pen tools, you have to close up from this angle here. Make sure this is closed and press Ctrl key down to cut. Come here also, shift key and make sure this is closed. Ctrl key down to cut. Come down here also, shift key and draw a straight line. Ctrl key down to cut. Next thing you want to do is to fill all this place with your smart fill tools. For you to do that, you just have to come to the home tab right here, select your smart fill tools and fill up the area. So next thing you want to do is to bring out the logo shape. For you to do that, you have to press shift key on your keyboard, select this.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame.
And drag the logo shape out. Next thing you want to do is to come down below here and make sure you right click on this. This allows you to remove the stroke. You can come to the home tab right here and make sure you group all the logo shape. Next thing you want to do is to select all this shape and press delete key on your keyboard. Then you have to fall back to the logo shape and press P to centralize. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you ungroup everything. So having ungrouped everything, then the next thing you have to do is to fill it with the color. So I'm going to make use of my eye color dropper. So I'm choosing this color for this side. My eye color dropper.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
Finally, we can select everything now. Press Ctrl J to group. Then we can add a background shadow. For you to do that, you have to select your circle and draw a perfect circle at the bottom. Then fill it with color black. Next thing you want to do is to select your transparent fill tools from the bottom right here. And then come to the home property here and make sure you choose font and fill. Then here you have to choose this particular format. Next thing you want to do is to press shift key and adjust your shadow. Press Shift key and select the logo shape and press C. This allows you to align to the vertical center. Press Ctrl J to group everything and P to centralize. So you can add a logo background color. For you to do that, double click the rectangle shape. This allows you to create a page border. Next thing you want to do is to fill it with gray color. I hope you find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.